Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Learn Planet. Today we are going to learn Hlookup function. Previously we have done Vlookup function, which helps us to get the value from vertical column or vertical table. If we want to get the information collected through a horizontal table or horizontal value we want to calculate, for that we are going to use Hlookup function. Vlookup function is not going to work for that. So to get started, we have just converted this Vlookup function table into Hlookup function, and now I converted the vertical table into horizontal table, and now we are going to calculate the value from this while using Hlookup function. Now for that, what we are going to do, we are going to simply put, if in case I want to calculate the price for the geyser, which is 20,000, I would write on the geyser in any of the cell. Then for calculating its price, I will give is equal to sign, then Hlookup bracket start. I have to assign the value which I am looking for, comma, I will give the table to array, comma, then I have to give the row number. The row number for the prices number for 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, comma, and then for absolute value I will give 0, and then bracket close and enter. And see, it gives you the value of the geyser. The price of the geyser is 20,000 rupees. You can see that. So now if I am going to calculate again, let's see. I put the name over here. If in case I don't want to put the name, I want to select the prices while selecting from the drop down menu. For creating a drop down menu, I will just simply select the cell, then I'll go in data, that's in here, and then I'll select validation. I'll have to give a list, then in source I will mention the cells which consist of the names of the products for which I am going to create the drop down menu, and then just OK. Here I want to calculate the price, so for putting the Hlookup formula over here, I will just simply press is equal to sign, Hlookup bracket start, value, the value would be in this cell, comma, table to array. These are the values from which we are going to choose the value, comma, I have to give the row number. Row number is the 4 for the prices. We are calculating the prices. We could have calculated anything from here, like the product ID or the quantity or something like that, whatever I'm going to calculate. Here we are calculating the prices which are in row number 4. I'll give it 4, comma, 0 for the absolute value, bracket close and enter. Reason, it's not available because we have not selected any of the product from the drop down menu. As we have created the drop down over here, if I'm going to select DVD, it will give me the price of the DVD. Where is DVD? DVD is 8,000 rupees. Here you can see. Microwave, let's search for that. Yes, microwave prices, exactly 20,000 rupees. So now if I'm going to calculate total payable while calculating, multiplying the unit with the price, I will just simply press is equal to sign, select this cell, multiply with this cell and enter. 0 is because I haven't mentioned the unit. If I mention unit 1, it's done. If I mention units 2, it's done. And if I'm going to change the product from drop down menu, it's going to calculate the price as per the product. So for creating a drop down menu, I just select validation in data and select on validation. Here I will select list, and within the list I have to provide the source in here, and there I will put the product name. I will do it Okay. Now unit price, for unit calculating unit price is equal to sign H lookup bracket start the cell value for which I am going to calculate the value, comma, the table to array, so table, comma, then I have to give the row number. The row number is 4 for the prices, comma, 0 for the absolute value, bracket closed, enter. And same like in this cell, I want to calculate the total table. For that is equal to sign this cell multiplied by this cell. Now when I'm going to select the product, let's say fridge, it's going to give me the price of the fridge in here. And when I'm to go to put the units, number of units purchased, let's say 3, it's going to calculate the total payable. Same like if I'm going to select any other product, the price would be updated accordingly. For dispenser, the price was 12,000, and for 3 dispenser price is 36,000, which has been accurately calculated. So this was all for today. Thank you much for your time.